What's up, you guys? This is Tim, and today, welcome to day 2 of the iTempo 2000's OC Maryland vlog. But you can see this is our first morning. It's about 6 in the morning, and it's Saturday, and so yeah, in OC Maryland, as you can see. You can see the ocean clearly than yesterday, since it was nighttime yesterday. You can see the sun, I guess. It's trying to rise. So yeah, on today's vlog, we'll also do a boardwalk walk, like yesterday. But we're gonna do I think we can do a beach or a boardwalk. Do a hotel room tour, and if I want to do it in the future. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So enjoy the vlog, my friends. As you can see, I'm zooming into the sun. You can see it's trying to come up right now, which is, I think it's still 6. Well, it's kind of like 6:30 in the morning, so the sun is coming up. So, and as you can see, there's the beach. Sorry about the darkness, you guys. As you can see, I'm on the balcony, which I did woke up whatsoever. Yeah. If you guys saw yesterday's vlog of you can check that out, which if you guys didn't see that one yet, put it in the link in the description below whatsoever. And also I might do another today, but I'm gonna do a hotel room tour if I can. I'll try to put in a separate video from this one, because this is a vlog whatsoever. So yeah. I'll be getting on the beach soon. Enjoy, my friends. It's a little cold!
One eternity later.
We're in the playoffs now. They just lost their first game, 21-19, super close game, really good. They're in their second game now. Let's head back to the action. The wind is doing some weird stuff, making that thing flutter around.
A few moments later.
12-5. The girls are winning 12-5. They can do it.
Meanwhile.
The other girls are making a comeback. It's 13-11. They can hang on. They can do it. I don't know. I don't know if they will or not. It's a close game though. A lot of fun to watch.
You go, you go.
Oh, back on. That's it. They just lost 21-17. They were up by a whole bunch and then they weren't, and now it's over. So yeah, a lot of fun though. Good to watch.
Alright, so this is going to be a really, really short video. It's not even about my three sons. We just had something amazing happen off the coast of Ocean City. We had a huge whale for the last 2 hours breaching right outside our condo. Here's the video. Hopefully you like it. Did you get it, Tina?
No, it's too fast.
Usually it comes back up. Whoa! Oh, I got that on video.
Did you get it on video?
I got that on video.
Right out of the water.
Wow.
That's him saying goodbye.
Holy moly. I got that on video.
He's saying goodbye, everybody. I'm missing all of it. You jumped out of
Oh.
the water, Ben. Did you guys see that?
Whoa! Yes.
Ben, did you see that? He's leaving.
Holy
Saying goodbye.
cow.
Look, Ben, right out there. Watch. I saw him. See him come up?
Whoa. That was amazing.
Saying
Did you get it on your...
goodbye. Picture from the show.
These should be your way, wouldn't you?
Say goodbye, everybody. I enjoyed the beach.
That was amazing.
For all the people on the boat.
Yeah, that was right next to the boat. Oh, they're getting a ride. Wow.
Wow, look at it.
Look at that.
Oh boy, look
Oh,
at that.
man, they're getting a nice...
See it that time?
That's a big
This
one.
you can really see him well.
Yeah, I
Can you
know.
see it?
Wow. Ocean City, Maryland, and we got whales breaching.
Look at the boat. It's like
Yeah, everybody's on one side.
Probably like, please stay in your seats so we do not tip the boat.
Yeah, right? Holy cow, they're gonna get good tips. Cool. Funny thing is, like, no one's really in the water, everybody's on the shore. Here's Ocean City, and everybody's watching the whales. I'm probably not, there it is, can you see that? Whoa, that was a whale.
Did you get him?
That lifeguard is going out there, I don't know, but there it is.
There it is. Yeah. That's one.
He hasn't done any flips though the last 2 times to come up.
There he is. Oh, another flip.
He has no friends. He's lost.
There he is again. He's not doing a flip, he just came up.
Yep. That one though. The lifeguard's going after. Look at that. Wow.
Too fast, didn't even know there was a whale.
Had no idea. There it is.
Could have stopped and seen the whale.
Where is it?
Straight ahead.
To the right of the boat. There he is. He's headed out. Look at him.
Yeah, see right there. Wow.
All the fish are gone.
Yeah, it's not dark blue.
There he is, he's
Right
just
here.
blue.
Dark blue out there.
Just blue. There he is. Very cool.
glorious day out here. You doing good?
We're not oceans anymore. We're on sand.
Yeah, a little busier than it was yesterday. What do you think? Down this way, babe? Or do you want to go down this way? We got too many decisions to make. One thing I always worry about when I'm making videos is the wind, and I think this audio is gonna be destroyed, but that's okay. Just know that we're at the beach. This is flipping packed out here, dude. It's after 10 o'clock in the morning right now, and one thing to know at the beach is if you don't get out here right away, you don't get the best spots. So this is our view right now. We do have a tent here. That's all right. We can see the ocean, and we can go right down there. You gonna play out here for a bit?
Yeah, and you'll make her big thing.
Okay. Not too many people in the water today either. I think it's a bit chilly.
This is what you get, Dad.
What?
Buried up in sand.
I'm being buried alive. Why? Hey,
Huh.
go get mom's feet.
Dad, you want to go in the ocean? What's that? Hey, Dad.
Oh, that's cool. Let's go check it out. Tell me if it's cold. Oh, it almost got me. All right, go. Go. You guys are fine. That little chicken won't go. Oh no! Ah! Oh no! Clarky, you okay? You got wrecked.
I like wrecked down on the way and then blew into my face. How's the water feel? Salty.
It's chilly. Wow. Let's show them our awesome creation.
We made 2 castles.
We made a castle.
And a monster truck.
And a monster truck in there. Dude.
He's not working because he has more sand in him.
Yeah, you get sand in him. He doesn't go very well. You gotta wash him off.
Well, I won't let go.
I'll do it. Hey, what are you doing, man? What you doing, Clarkzilla? Dang. Just destroyed our whole thing. Oh. I'm gonna test out my GoPro here. Oh. This is probably gonna be a bad idea. Brutal out there. Oh no, mommy flip-flop. Oh my goodness. Most stylish kid at the beach award goes to Clark Man. Wait a minute.
Huh.
Where's my flip-flop? Alright. Got everything? Yep. We're gonna head up into the pool up here. In the last few days at the beach, I've learned some very important lessons. And the most important of those lessons is you got to claim your spot. So out here, there's literally no one out here. Well, there's a few people out here, but every single chair out here is claimed. Every single chair claimed. No one. And unfortunately, the same thing applies down at the beach. Just vlogging here, ma'am.
That's okay.
Vlogging in public, one day it's going to be accepted. But down at the beach, it's the same situation. And I'll show you what I mean when I get out here. Literally just walk straight out here. We do have a couple people here. Here's a chair with no one. No one. No one. Umbrella. No one. We do have a guy over here. No one. No one. There's the ocean. No one. Nobody here. Nobody here. But all the spots are taken. And I've decided if you can't beat them, join them. I'm going to do the same thing right here in this spot. We got a little bit of a window here. I'm going to snag this spot for us. Do I plan to stay down here? No. I'm going to set everything up. I'm going to go back up to our hotel. And then we're going to come down whenever we're ready. I really can't stand this move, but if you want to be out at the beach, I guess that's what you have to do. And that's probably what everyone else feels like as well. There you have it. My spot is claimed. And now I can go back up and enjoy myself in the hotel room and not have to worry about getting a spot on the beach. I'm a terrible person, just like the rest of these beach goers. This way.
And my flip-flops haven't been found.
Yeah, what happened with your flip-flops, Clark,
I
man?
left them out.
You took them off out here and they were out all night. Let's go find a reserved spot down here. Lessons learned the hard way. Don't lose your flip-flops at the beach. We got beachfront property today, Clark, man.
Hooray! 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 Hooray!
Oh, there's people like literally right behind us. They're gonna be so bummed out. The Santa's hot today, boys. How about that, dude?
Yeah.
Right on the beach.
Parachute dive off.
That's pretty cool.
And that guy's parachuting from the water.
That's parasailing. We need to do that, Clark, man.
But he said you can't do that.
Check that out.
Scary.
I want to do that with you.
No.
Let's do that together.
No, I'm too scared. I'm a chicken. Remember, I'm a chicken.
Always a chicken. I forgot.
Dad, I'm making a pool already. That was not a pool I'm making.
That's awesome, man.
That's my pool.
Take one step forward. Take one step forward again. Uh-oh.
That one is too hard.
Who's gonna go into the ocean with me?
How about you?
What about you? What are we trying to do out here?
It's a my boy. Which way is
Hey!
Yeah.
Jump one of them.
Huh?
See if you can jump it.
Yeah.
Caught me a little bit there.
Oh, look at that. I see a thing.
Oh!
Hi.
What are you doing?
Getting sandwich.
Ooh, sandwich on the beach. Living the life.
There's sand too.
What kind of sandwich do you have there?
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. My favorite sandwich is peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
There's a lot of favorites.
Yeah, and I love pepperoni sandwiches.
Pepperoni sandwiches.
I love then they taste good. The mustard.
That does sound good.
You say custard or mustard?
Mustard. Salami and mustard.
Oh yeah.
Here we picture the wild animals cleaning each other's ears out. Beach life. Mikey dropped the chip, so we're gonna test the seagulls out. You might have to throw it further than that, buddy. They're not that brave. Throw it down there. Okay. Let's see how long that chip lasts. Here comes one. He's flying over. There he is. Oh! That was crazy. Ah! What have you done?
Yeah.
Side-eyeing us like,
He's like, is that kid gonna drop any more of them chips in there? Or? There we go. Here you go, guys. Who's brave enough? Who's brave enough? Oh! Scored! Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, what did I do?
Wow. We all done down here? Yep. Leaving the beach once again. Maybe for the last time. This is better than the arcade. He loves to wash his butt. Push it in again. There you go. Get that booty. Get that booty. He'll do it like 40 times in a row.
Do you love the beach?
I do, yes.
I love the beach.
Do you love the beach?
oh yeah. Chris left his flip-flops at the gate again.
Are you serious? 2 days in a row. Again, Clark man? Back again with leaving the flip-flops? All right, Clark man, what are we doing?
Fire restaurant. Fire.
Another evening with no rain, which is nice. This is by far our hottest day here in Ocean City. So tonight we're on our way to the Bonfire Restaurant, which happens to be our favorite restaurant in Ocean City. We saved it for the end. And it's probably our favorite because we haven't been to that many, but it's the best that we've been to. And they have crab and it's buffet, which is really good. You settle down back there, boy.
You still back there in the front, boy.
That's it right there, I think. Let's see if I can get the cool zoom into it. Oh yeah. Look at that quality. Steamed shrimp, crab legs, seafood, pasta, ice cream, smoked brisket. What are you gonna eat, Clark, man?
Noodle.
Noodles? You gonna have some crab? Oh no. We're getting started off on the right foot here. What'd you get there, Clark, man?
Pizza and some of that and macaroni and cheese.
Wow.
Chris wants to eat them.
How many thumbs? Uh-oh. 2. Nice. Can't wait to see what you get, babe. You always come out with the coolest stuff. Moment of truth. Look at that hole. It's incredible.
And there's corn in here.
Oh, wow.
There's corn.
Is it delicious?
I love corn. I look at my big fat tummy.
No. Nope. Don't do that. These guys both quit. I'm still going all in here.
It's still here.
Oh my
That
goodness.
side, buddy.
We've dominated dinner.
Chocolate on that marshmallow.
Just destroyed him.
Let me see now. Yeah, it's better.
Okay, you guys ready to go play mini golf?
See you later, bonfire.
See you, Bonfire. That's where we're playing at, Clark, man.
We're playing the dragon.
Yeah, dude. We're about to embark on some dragon mini golf. Hope you don't get eaten by a dragon here.
These are not real dragons.
Yes, they are.
Oh.
How do you think they make the mini golf without real dragons?
I can see.
That's dragon breath. Are you scared?
No. I'm not scared. A little bit. I'm going to pee myself a bit.
These guys club. Is that the color you're gonna be?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
What am I gonna be?
Blue.
Go ahead and show them how to do it, babe.
Alright, so you put the ball usually in the middle here. And you want to try to hit it gently towards the hole. Alright, ready? 1.
Oh,
Now put like that.
that was just a practice one.
It's not successful.
That was practice. Try again.
Now you have to wait for the player to get the
This is an easy one right here. There you go. Okay.
Alright, now you do that. Stand over here. Can you hold this? Hi.
Yeah. Oh, if that goes in. Oh. Go in, baby. Person closest goes first, I think. You can't do that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, look out. Yeah. Nice. Oh, dang. On the rebound.
Alright, now you tap it.
Wow.
Can't touch the ball.
Yay. It's okay. He's having a good time. Yay. Good job. Oh, look at this. That's cool. Oh, you're all the way back here in the corner, babe.
Oh no!
Clark, you can do this one, man. You got a giant hole. Almost. Little cheater. Yeah. Are you kidding me? Whoa. She almost got it in over here. That's like double points or something. Are you serious?
Yep.
Okay. I quit. This is the one you almost got in on, babe. Oh, Clark!
Oh my gosh!
He did it! Dude! Wow!
High five! You did it!
All you're cheating and you're doing so good.
Oh my gosh!
Here comes Mom.
Whoa!
Close. Wow.
Turn. Not again.
Right back to where she started.
Wow!
Uh-oh.
You almost did it!
Wow.
Mama versus Daddy Monster.
How did he do a hole in one?
Oh!
You can put it back on, babe. Wow. Wow. Oh my God! That's crazy! That is crazy, dude. Wow. That was not edited. Clark hitting 2 holes in 1 on the same thing. It took him like 45 tries to hit the ball, but he put it in there.
Maybe I should correct him on his stance.
His stance is wicked. Money.
Oh, almost.
stop it.
And this is why we're not keeping score.
Okay. Is this why this is going to be our last game of mini golf ever?
Are you serious? I think it went out into the street.
You're going the wrong way, buddy.
You gotta get in the hole over here.
Clark, man. Oh, off my.
This one's too hard. I want to do that one.
We're gonna do all of them.
I almost made it. Hey! Hey, look.
Yay! You
First
got a
time.
hole in one. Way to go, Daddy.
Whoa! Crazy kid on the loose. It goes right back to where he started. It'd be hilarious if it just stopped like right there. Mom's gonna show you how to do a hole in one.
You bounced too.
Oh.
Wow! That was epic.
Oh. That almost went in. That would have been epic. You hit it from the 17th to the 18th and get a hole in one? Dude. That would have been the coolest thing that's ever happened out here.
Might be here all night, folks.
It took me 17 tries to get it through there.
Oh, what?
If those balls weren't in there, you probably would have done it.
I do that one now.
That's... Oh, there's hole 19? There's another one. This is it, dude. This is it. Oh, so close. You get another try.
Where am I?
It's gone. That's it. That's the end of the game. Close. Hey, buddy. Oh.
Oh man, Dad.
That's it, dude. The dragon was not kind to us this time. Okay. We're done. Good game. Dude's finger shake. Good game, sir.
I need to tell you something.
What?
My blue ball's right next to the dragon.
Can we get it out?
Yeah?
He got really sweaty out there. That was an intense game. You won, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go for an evening stroll on the beach. Wow, it's crazy how hot it was earlier and now how chilly it is on the sand now. Oh my goodness. The beautiful level. Everybody with their phones out down here. Why can't people just be in the moment and not have their phones and cameras out? Like, seriously.
Hi.
Check this out.
What's that?
It's a turtle. Don't crush it. No. No. R.I.P. Woo! Oh, nice. No! Gone forever. What happened?
Water.
Oh, you were trying to stay out? Better luck next time.
My friend in the water watching.
Okay. getting brave out there.
feels warmer now than it did earlier.
It does actually, yeah. Feels good. We're back.